You have to be the right person at the right place at the right time. I was the right person. I had the skill. I was online. I had the suppliers, right? I was making money. So all this stuff, now my skills, I have a platform to exercise my talents and skills. And money was coming in.
Let's get right into it. A lot of people know about what you've done online, you know, the king of high ticket sales and serving businesses and clients all over the world.
Correct.
Where did you get this? Where was the seed planted? Where did you grow up and sort of what was your childhood like growing up?
Well, I was born in Hong Kong, right? So I immigrated to Canada when I was 14 years old with no money, no connections. And so my mom and dad got divorced when I was 16 years old. And then shortly after that, my dad went bankrupt in Hong Kong. He basically, his business partner took all his money and disappeared. And my dad signed everything as a guarantor, right?
Yeah.
Guarantees on it.
Man.
So left him about $1 million US in debt. I don't care what it takes. I don't care how hard I have to work. I try so many. I try like vending machines. I try like network marketing. I try fixing computers for people. We tried delivery service. I failed at 13 businesses.
13.
13.
Wow.
Before having what I quote unquote success. This is philosophy until this very day. If you say one of my motto for business, add value first before you ask anything in return. That's how I always approach. You know how most business people, they approach somebody, yeah, they want to sell them some shit. Right? Or they want to, hey man, you do something for me, or like, you know, on social media, people come to me all the time. Or they feel like just because I'm successful, that I'm obligated to help them.
Right, you can so easily will just give them handouts.
That's not the case. They got to earn it. So my philosophy is any interaction with people, how can I add value to what you do? It's always my most favorite question is this: what is the most important project you're working on that I can add value to?
What's that one mindset shift? I'm sure there's many, but what would you say is the most important wealth mindset shift that needs to happen?
I think for most entrepreneurs, or most people, they overestimate their importance in terms of success. So I think let's take racing horses, for example. The jockey is important, but the horse is probably more important. So I think very often when something is successful, entrepreneurs are like, oh, because I'm so fucking good.
Right.
I conquered the problems, I made it happen, and all this stuff. Now, as I'm more mature, I think finding the right opportunity is probably it's like 10 times more important.
So the vehicle.
And at the time, I picked the right vehicle. Because remember the 13 businesses? It's the wrong vehicle, I was the wrong person. But this time, that's why I don't believe the whole thing, you got to be at the right place at the right time. You have to be the right person at the right place at the right time. I was the right person. I had the skill. I was online. I had the suppliers, right? I was making money. So all this stuff, now my skills, I have a platform to exercise my talents and skills. And money was coming in. Like, how come it took me so much effort before to make $1,000?
Right.
And now, like, fucking I just make that like
Yeah,
that.
you couldn't even stop the money coming.
Just like
now.
I couldn't stop. What changed?
Yeah.
Because I picked the right vehicle.
작은 성공이 모여 큰 성공을 이룹니다. 오늘도 이 성공 비밀을 노트에 필사하면서 성공적인 하루를 시작하세요. 한글 5번, 영어 5번입니다. 시작합니다. 나는 끊임없이 미래를 공부하며 시대에 맞는 사업을 익히고 활용하여 부를 창출할 것입니다.
I constantly study about the future and create wealth by learning and utilizing industries in tune with the time.
나는 끊임없이 미래를 공부하며 시대에 맞는 사업을 익히고 활용하여 부를 창출할 것입니다.
I constantly study about the future and create wealth by learning and utilizing industries in tune with the time.
나는 끊임없이 미래를 공부하며 시대에 맞는 사업을 익히고 활용하여 부를 창출할 것입니다.
I constantly study about the future and create wealth by learning and utilizing industries in tune with the time.
나는 끊임없이 미래를 공부하며 시대에 맞는 사업을 익히고 활용하여 부를 창출할 것입니다.
I constantly study about the future and create wealth by learning and utilizing industries in tune with the time.
나는 끊임없이 미래를 공부하며 시대에 맞는 사업을 익히고 활용하여 부를 창출할 것입니다.
I constantly study about the future and create wealth by learning and utilizing industries in tune with the time.
(10억의) 빚이라는 최악의 상황에서도 제가 성공할 수 있었던 비결은 성공한 사람들의 마인드를 내 것으로 만든 것입니다. 켈리가 했다면 당신도 무조건 하실 수 있습니다. 켈리가 당신에게 이 성공 비밀을 공유하는 것은 성공을 유지하는 비결 중에 하나입니다. 지금 당장 주변 사람들과 이 성공 비밀을 공유하세요. 좋아요, 구독, 알림 설정은 필수입니다. 지금 당장 이 영상을 주변에 알려서 함께 해보세요. 함께 가면 더 멀리 갈 수 있습니다. 좋아요, 구독, 알림 설정은 이 모닝콜을 함께 제작하는 20명이 넘는 재능 기부자들과 켈리에게 큰 힘을 줍니다. 사랑합니다.